Welcome to Healthy Conversation. English Comprehension Objective Questions and Answers for Children. The Passage of Balloon Seller. Once upon a time, there was a balloon seller. He sold many balloons. The balloon seller cries out, "Balloon for sale! Balloons for sale!" The children ran out of their homes to buy the balloons. Read the passage given below. Here comes the balloon seller. He has pretty balloons in his hand. There are of many colors. They are tied to a long pole. The balloon seller cries aloud, "Balloons for sale! Balloons for sale!" Children run out of their homes to buy. Now, we will understand this story. Here comes the balloon seller. He has pretty balloons in his hand. They are of many colors. They are tied to a long pole. The balloon seller cries aloud, "Balloons for sale! Balloons for sale!" Children run out of their homes to buy. Now here are some tough words. Seller, pretty, tied, cries aloud, run out. Now let's understand these tough words with Hindi meaning. 1. Seller means Vikreta. 2. Pretty means Sundar. 3. Tied means Bandhe. 4. Cries aloud means जोर से रोना. And 5. Run out means बाहर. Now, here are some questions you have to do. Question: who comes here? Here comes the balloon seller. Question: who has pretty balloons? Balloon seller has pretty balloons. Question: are all the balloons of the same color? No, balloon seller have so many colors. Question: to what are they tied? They are tied to a long pole. Question: what do children do? Children run out of their homes to buy balloons. Subscribe, like, share and comment my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!